Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to make beats with GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. If you do not have it, just go to the App Store, download it, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application where we can get starting to record ourselves, getting our tracks, and so on. In the upper right left corner, you can find the live loops section where you can find the loops that you can access, such as EDM and hip hop, to go ahead and add to your tracks, or you can go to the tracks option and start recording it yourself. So as you can see, we have multiple options right here where we can start playing digital instruments like the keyboard, the drums, and so on, or we can even go ahead and record ourselves playing our own guitar or other instruments. So we're going to go ahead and open up the audio recording option. So after opening our audio recorder, this is where we can get started recording ourselves, how we sing, what we want to talk, and put into the song. So you click the big red circle at the top of the screen, as you can see, which is going to start the recording process and enable you to talk. And after you have gotten your recording process, you can go into the button right here in the upper left corner. That's going to go ahead and put your recording right here into this page where we can get started mixing it with our beat and so on. And you can either import your beats, let's go back to the main page, you can either import your beats or you can get started playing them using the instruments right here. So if you enter in the keyboard or the drums, it's going to open up the beat making section where we can get started recording ourselves. Again, go ahead and click the big red circle at the top of the screen and record what you want to do, and after that it's going to appear in your mixing section right here. Again, as you can see, you'll be able to join those two. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.